for the orange carriage, that is over here. Fantastic. And if you are for the pink carriage, that is this one here. So this is the orange.
Hello, pink tickets. Last one. Oh, they did last one, did they? Yeah, it might be a little bit down when we get down the tunnel. It's a bit.
Did you even 59 stock as well?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, still do. Yeah, drove 59 stock on this line when it was coming out. Yeah, yeah. They were just getting the 73s when I came on in. Yeah, drove R stock on the district line, CPs. Yeah. You remember? With the flares, yeah. Really, yeah.
Nobody believes me. On Saturday morning, as soon as I'm on the road, we used to have an extension on Saturday morning.
Okay,
The road bit.
Yeah, because the district line used to do the circle.
Yeah.
I don't know whether that was just weekends, I can't remember now, a long time ago. But I think they used to do part of the circle as well. Yeah.
The odd thing about it, the circle was the 269 and everything else.
Yeah.
And then this district line train coming in the play platform all day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Quick, Thomas, ready? Ready? Cheers. Smile, Thomas. One more, cheers. Yeah, should we get my granddad in it too? Look, ready?
Come down with you, shall I?
Cheers. Yay. Beautiful. Where should we get the most?
Yeah, go on.
It's very hot.
It is very hot. Very hot as well. Sitting in the tin can.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry, but can I? Sorry for
Well, you must take a picture.
picture of all this. Thank you.
Alright, no worries. You can come up when we're driving along, stand by the door and have a look. I think I'm supposed to throw up the triangle then. No, I bought all the Haribo as well.
Do you want a minty?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Are you sure? We've got them in our hole, have some pictures. Yeah, of course you can.
Did you have a good drive up? Quiet. I like the other day, yeah. That's pretty quiet.
Yes, I've been there. Oh, hello.
Right, yeah, man's got his recording equipment.
Yeah, no worries. Right, we should be away very short. I'm going to bring the signal up.
42. Oh, 42? 47? Oh, 47 now.
Yeah. We're good?
Good. Hello, Drill. Sticks off.
I don't need this anymore. Well, unless we get stopped.
Yeah, no, it's not. Up in front.
No one's coming. Seriously? Alright, Fraser, head there, man. Let's go, we're enjoying every bit of this sunshine. A bit warm, but lovely. And there's no aircon in this cab. Can we take it out? Can we take this train out of service because it's got no aircon? Just an idea. Anyway, what can I do for you, Fraser? That'll be excellent, yes. Okay. Yep, I'll keep my eyes open for that, and yeah, that'll be really good. That's a little bit different still today. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Take care, cheers now, bye bye. Just for a little shake of difference, we're going the westbound at 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we're not going to yesterday. Right?
This is see if the signal knows what to do. This is Fraser. Now Fraser's he's an apprentice, or was an apprentice. He's gone through the system as an apprentice controller and passed out. So he's now he's only about 24 and he's a line controller. And he knows his stuff. He's very, very good. He's very young. He's suggesting that I've got the inference that the signaller might not know what he's doing. So we shall see.
Why us?
So here we come, T5. And we go to T5. We'll have to detrain them all. T5.
Sure we went into T5 when we left them off.
Really? Okay. Well, apparently I'm the operating official and I can make such a decision.
Sure we didn't make them off. not sure if he's standing there. I wonder if he's got a camera on. Huge it was.
We'll have a look on the way back.
Yeah, I thought it was like a TV area or something.
Where's the board? Wow.
The maps are a bit older. The maps are about 1969, 1970. This is a different strand. So this strand.
So when these was in service, they would be the same setup as 59s, like 7 cars? Yeah?
The strand is actually.
Yeah, 403.
Yeah.
Strand.
It never worked on the central line because the central line was went for its old specs.
Really?
It never had 38 cars.
Yeah. The station, the other station is the strand.
Oh, it's good they kept one that worked. Just a shame they didn't have 4
Right.
different classes, but then we'd be stuck in running them now, wouldn't we?
Yep. Yeah, no escape.
a river. Well, I didn't know that. By the time I've been on this line and then I knew there's a river.
I was surprised. I thought they'd go underneath it, but
They tried.
really.
Because the airport, before it was as big as it was built in a marsh.
Right.
Because the biplanes, if they crash, would just
Nice
get
and
stuck
soft.
in the mud.
Huh.
So, but when it got developed after the wars, and it got built on, because the rivers form an important part of the drainage.
Sure.
But because it's marsh, when they come to dig this out, they didn't have the technology then in the 70s like they had later on, where they freeze the ground.
Yeah.
So they couldn't go underneath. But when it goes underneath here, Acton has got 3 big water pumps
Oh, really?
that continually, 2 of them continually work to pump it out, and
Yeah.
the 3rd one is there as a backup.
Backup, yeah.
And years ago, you can't see it now, but on the right hand side, they put a plate over it. I don't know whether I can see it, I won't get it out. But there's a plate in the wall, and the water literally just pours in.
Yeah, I remember seeing
Do
that.
you remember that? It used
Yeah, I
to
remember
stay in
seeing
the
that.
wall.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
So it still floods.
Yeah.
If they turn the pumps off, it will
Definitely flood, yeah.
You see the water compress.
Yeah.
So there's a river this side, and there's a river on the other side at Terminal 5.
What's that?
It actually goes, both of the rivers around this river.
Yeah.
And the one at Terminal 5, when they built the railway and the new airport, they had to turn or divert the river. But the river feeds the fountain in Acton Palace.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
You never know.
Acton Palace. So they had to get royal permission to
do it.
turn the fans off while they dammed the fountains off while they dammed it, and they moved it. Yeah. So it actually goes down the back of the side.
Wow.
Diverts around that.
Diverts round.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every day you learn something.
There you go. Yeah. So Heathrow. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. One day they'll be on Secrets of the Underground.
Yeah. I should be ringing that city up and say, you need to go and talk to Terry. It's something not quite right with her. She's got far too many teeth. Nobody can have that many teeth in their head.
Sticks off, matey. It's good, isn't it?
He's on the ball.
He's had a child now, actually.
See what?
I think she had a child. She's got a kiddie.
Has she?
I think so.
Okay. I've got me, I'm well jealous of her because she gets to go all these bloody places.
Oh, no, yeah, some of the places things.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Oh, mate.
Quite hard. You can see from reflection.
Yeah, stand by the door there. See the train?
Oh yeah.
They have a train in the station up there. Look.
Oh, is that what they're
Yeah. Well, that's why you're not going.
That's why we're not going any further.
Oh yeah.
You know,
Good
in the
idea.
old days, we'd be right up there.
Take it out. Drive up its bum. Come on, get out of the way.
Only within 65 metres.
Two of them are another train. There is great lights. Yeah, one is train. Can you see, Thomas? Can you see those? Can you see those four red lights?
That's another train.
There's another train's red lights going. I'm braking. Don't come up the upper bum.
We're waiting for him to move out the platform before we can go.
Why?
What happens if we didn't? What happens if we didn't wait for it to move?
Smash it to
We don't really
pieces.
want to crash the train, do we? I think Grandad might get in trouble if we crash.
Smash it to pieces.
It's a special train.
Which is quite right.
No, don't worry about that.
Yeah, 'cause I don't want that because I'll have to write the item
Yes.
from my hospital bed.
Yeah, we really got the.
Is there a light down? Oh, that's your speedo, isn't it?
No, there must be those there.
Oh, so what's that yellow?
This is my air gauge. It tells me how much air I've got in the train for the brakes tonight.
And should it be quite high then?
It is. Yeah.
And if it's not high, then you can't brake?
I can't go. The train won't go.
Oh.
Well, it's all safety. It's got to have. It has to prove it's got enough air to stop the train. So if it hasn't got enough air to stop the train, it won't let me go
Better when you go to start.
because I can't stop. So it's all interlocked. All trains are like that. They're all interlocked. Yeah.
Are they all air pressure brakes then?
Yeah, there's still, yeah, even those. There's still got air on board. Yeah. Because if you hear the tick tick noise on this, same as 73, that's air working it. As it's going round, there's air pushing it around, pneumatic. So if you don't have the air, but the modern train, the one that I've just been on in Germany,
Yeah.
that's got air, but the computers control everything.
So it doesn't really need it.
No, it only needs the air, it only uses the air for the brakes.
So the computer's in charge of it.
Basically, yeah, yeah.
Have they not watched Spados 2001?
Well, the computer monitors air, doesn't it? The air goes down, the system don't come in. So it's still backed up. The trip clock still comes. But the trip clock doesn't break the air, it's not.
Like the
trip clock
computer
just a
going, are you
switch.
sure about that, Terry?
Yeah, no, the trip clock works on micro switches.
Yeah, I know.
Just goes click. Yeah, that's supposed to do away with it, I don't know. It's just the friction brake, really.
Oh, yeah? What's that called if you want?
I think it was stopped running the areas on trains.
I've got the signal, I can see the light, the green.
Uh-huh.
Go on.
So basically,
The train's on, is it? Right, get green light soon then.
They're working with you.
Oh, it's moved.
Oh, wait. There we go. Yeah.
going to give us 6 minutes. 6 minutes. I want to go to the toilet.
Well, if you need to go, you need to go. Once we leave Northfields, I shall have to make my way through a train because I left my bloody hat down the other end.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, right then, mate. All right.
I need it to keep the sun off me. Not today, but
Can I take a picture of like there? Oh yeah. Can I?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I don't know why I asked because you just allowed me before.
Yeah, quite, yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for asking.
it's good to ask.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just send your hands. Yes.
So where do we get off back at?
Yes.
We'll get off at Acton. Yeah, stay on.
Can we get a picture of you sitting in the front bit of us on the platform outside?
You can do it. You can do it at Northfields because we get more time at Northfields because we've got a D train. So you can do it at Northfields.
Once we get back again, we'll go.
Yeah.
I want to get a picture of you from the outside.
Oh right. Oh, blimey. I didn't tell him I was ready. How dare he? What's he up to?
Rearing a go. Right, let's see how good their signalman is.
I'm going to Google that. I don't trust it.
No further and thorough.
train in there now. You won't be able to put us over.
Probably not. He might hold us there until there's 3. Who knows?
Complaint train.
I have every confidence.
Yeah, green.
That is a start. Halfway there.
Yeah, got it.
Hey.
Trains don't normally go in this way, because this is in the platform for Terminal 5. We should be in the other platform, but the controller's testing the signal there.
It's testing it with us, I think.
Yeah, giving us, yeah. You think this is a good evening? Because nobody moans on this train about being late.
That's the truth.
Isn't it? Do it on that one, nobody will complain.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, probably the opposite.
That little oysters right in. And look, if you look, out there on the left, so you stand here, and look, there's TV screens. Can you see the TV screen? So that shows the driver, all the people on the platform. You see? So look,
up
see
there.
in the mirror, the top little Grandad, look,
Oh, no,
you
I've
see
got
Grandad in the mirror.
You don't want to talk to me?
No.
If you use it at the front, you might be able to see yourself.
I can't remember that, 746.
Mirror at the top.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 746. Okay, we'll do. Cheers. I didn't realise there was a decision detector on this way.
You would have. Oh, it must be a.
Piccadilly Control with a general message. Holloway Road Station has now reopened. Trains can stop as normal at Holloway Road. So that's Holloway Road Station has reopened. Please stop on both directions at Holloway Road. Piccadilly Control to train 323 Caledonian Road on the east. Receiving over.
Dick's off guard.
Yeah, 323 receiving. Understood that last message over. Many thanks, Control now. Piccadilly Control to 342 Arsenal on the west. You receiving over?
Well, down there, about 40 miles an hour.
22 receiving. Only took a last message. Over.
Oh, Drew was on the platform.
Many thanks, Control now.
Drew was on the platform when I pulled out, pulled away. He's saying he's driving a building.
I honestly didn't know you had to pull right up to that. Another thing to learn.
The last time I went in there a few months ago with a 72 stock, it was too long. Well, it's not. It's all about getting it fit in there. I can't find it about it.
up there. We're getting a little SUV.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to exactly the same place we were this time last year. And last year we used to build a small car, so I used to fit at 500, which is fine.
I went
around town, nice little town car.
Yeah.
It's no damn good when you go down a farm track to get to you, and you're going to scraping the bottom off the car.
Yeah, we had a spin in the ground area. I thought, that one won't go. It's all right. There you go. Get all the aeroplanes. That's it. You've got it. Station. Yep. Got a train up there.
might have a chance, yeah. Get a trained other driver.
Okay, let's have a look at
Video? Video?
Nearly.
Oh, we used to bloke in the area, but then how is it?
I forgot about that.
Yeah, I agree.
Piccadilly Control to repeat the general announcement. Holloway Road Station is now open. Please stop as normal at Holloway Road. That's Holloway Road reopened. Please stop as normal. Many thanks for the short break.
Need to press the red button. Alright. There you go.
Fortunately, there.
I feel like you
Must have a breeze.
well done.
don't think I've ever been stopped here.
I swear.
Yeah.
Even he's taking his time getting into Northfields.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How often do you get to drive these?
How often?
Yeah.
Not often enough, probably.
I watched the videos of a guy called Dale who works on the Piccadilly line. He publishes, he puts a camera in his cab and
Oh, yeah.
publishes them on YouTube.
Yeah.
They're
Mhm.
quite interesting.
Yeah, there we go. Looking the wrong way. We've got 10 minutes till we go.
10.
So I'm gonna scoot down the other end, get my hat back.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, I definitely did.
Good.
Thank you.
See you again. Thank you. Staying down.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Bye.
You're welcome, have a good day.
Thank you for your information.
Wow, it whistled. Listen to the whistle.